Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, if it's your first time joining us here, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below. Guys, it is going down for Umek G. So as you guys have seen, have heard, Umek G is currently trending at the moment for insulting, if I may say, insulting Umini Dlamini, I'm sure we all know Umek G, guys. Like, who doesn't know Umek G? Umek G said something on his podcast, Uti Umini Dlamini's relationships don't last because of what. He said something about her private parts. So now Min Lamin is hurtful, guys. This is the statement that she released on Instagram, saying that she is taking legal action against Umek G because she didn't like what they were saying about her. It was character defamation. It was not right to have them discussing her body like that. So Kesana Umini Dlamini has received an apology from a podcast and chill, which is Meg G's podcast. But the apology she received, she received the apology via their attorneys. So that apology, it didn't slap. So I'm thinking maybe she wants the apology to be done by Umek G, maybe face to face, I don't know. But Ukial Uti, she is taking this further. She is not gonna let people drag her through the mud like that. And then some people were saying, no, Umini Dlamini, she deserves this or not, she must not complain because now she has dragged Umek G through the mud. Now, in this statement that Umini Dlamini released, uyasho ukel ukuthi she never dragged Umek G through the mud. Uti she was protecting a fellow woman, who was a victim or what. So she was protecting that woman. She was standing with that woman. Not ukuthi yena bekakhuluma kabi ngoMek G, So nje, hey guys, kuningi. I am just hoping that they find a resolution to this. If she is going to take him to court, then let it be like a lesson. Let it be a lesson to some people. Stop saying yonke into efika engqondweni. Like, you can't say anything that comes to your mind about other people. You must think before you talk. But guess people have different opinions about this matter. Guys, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let us know, what do you think of this, because sana hai kuningi, kuningi. People are even saying that they are thinking of canceling Umek G because sana, why is he doing like that? Because people are saying it's not the first time he likes dragging women through the mud, and this person is a father to two beautiful children. He has a daughter, but sana ngathi nje akayingeni leyo ndaba leyo. He does not care. He like nje sana kuningi, and we will just keep following the case to see what happens and also ukuthi khama kanjani. But sana kuningi. I'm just hoping this will be a lesson to Umek G, to think sometimes. Sometimes you must think before you talk. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I will see you on my next one.